welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making real Polish classic, Bigos, also known as hunter stew. It's hearty, meaty and full of amazing flavors. In a large pot, melt a spoon of lard over medium-high heat. It gives Bigos the deep, rich flavor you can get from oil. When it's hot, add the beef, pork and mushrooms. Spread them out so they brown nicely, not steam. Let the meat get little color on each side. That's where all the flavors start to build. Once the meat and mushrooms are nicely browned, season with salt and pepper. Give it a good stir so everything gets evenly coated. You will start to smell that rich aroma already. That's when you know it's going in the right direction. Now pour in just enough water to cover the meat. Give it a gentle stir and pop the lid on. We will let it simmer for about an hour so the meat softens and stays juicy. This step does the magic. Slow simmering brings all those flavors together. After about an hour, lift the lid and give everything a quick stir. The meat should be tender and smell fantastic. Now add a generous spoon of sweet paprika. Make sure it's the sweet kind, not smoked. The smoked one changes the flavor completely and just doesn't belong here. Mix it in really well so it blends evenly and gives the stew the beautiful warm color and classy Bigos aroma. You will instantly smell the difference. Time to add our fresh cabbage, sliced into thin strips. It may look like a mountain at first, but don't panic. It will shrink down beautifully when it starts cooking. Add it in batches, give it a mix every time and watch it slowly melt into the stew. Keep stirring so it softens evenly and doesn't stick to the bottom. As it cooks down, it releases the gentle sweetness that balances the sauerkraut later. That's the secret behind Bigos' rich layered flavor. While the cabbage is softening, drain your sauerkraut, but don't rinse it. That natural tang is what makes Bigos so special. Add the sauerkraut straight into the pot and mix it well with the cabbage and meat. It already smells incredible. That mix of slightly sour and savory flavors is what makes Bigos so special. Keep stirring so it's evenly spread, then lower the heat and cover the pot. Now let it simmer slowly for about 45 minutes. During this time, all those flavors start to come together. The meat gets tender, the cabbage softens, and the sauce turns beautifully rich and deep. While the Bigos is simmering, grab a medium-sized pan and melt a spoon of lard. Add finely chopped onions and saute them slowly. No rushing here, we want them soft and golden, not burned. Take your time and stir now and then. It should smell sweet and buttery. Once the onions turn that perfect golden color, add the sausages. Let it brown together for a few minutes so the flavors blend and release that amazing smoky aroma. Keep stirring so nothing sticks. This part adds so much depth to the stew. It's totally worth the few extra minutes. By the time it's done, your kitchen's going to smell absolutely incredible. Now back to our big pot. Time to add the tomato paste. You can use about one small can or a couple of tablespoons. It gives the stew that nice color and gentle sweetness. Stir it in well so it spreads evenly through the sauce. You will see the color deepen right away. It's that little touch that makes Bigos look and taste even richer. Grab that pan with the onions and sausages and add it all into the big pot. Scrape it clean with silicone spatula. We want every bit of the onion, sausages and lard mixed in there. That's pure flavor. Stir everything together so it's evenly combined. Then let it cook gently for about 20 minutes. This step ties all those flavors together and gives Bigos its rich, hearty taste. If it looks a bit thick, just splash in a little water. Bigos should be saucy but not soupy. And that's it, the perfect pot of bigos, ready to serve. Doesn't that look amazing? All those layers of meat and cabbage cook down into one rich, cozy stew. Scoop it into a bowl, top it with a bit of fresh green onion for color, and serve it with a slice of good bread to soak up the sauce. Bigos taste even better the next day. The flavors keep deepening, so make a big batch and enjoy it twice. Thanks for cooking with me here on Simply Food Recipes. If you like this one, don't forget to like, share and follow for more easy homemade dishes.